Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily allow or disallow Siri AI in macOS 27 Golden Gate on your Mac. With macOS 27 Golden Gate, Apple has expanded Siri's capabilities by integrating advanced AI features that can provide more contextual assistance, smarter responses, and improved productivity tools. While many users appreciate these enhancements, others may prefer to disable Siri AI for privacy reasons, a simpler experience, or to reduce reliance on AI-powered features. Fortunately, Apple gives you the flexibility to enable or disable Siri AI whenever you want it on your device. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. After that, you have to choose the Screen Time option in the left sidebar. Then select Content and Privacy. After that, choose Siri. Then you have to click on the drop-down menu located right next to Siri and then choose Siri AI or Don't Allow Siri depending on your needs. In the end, make sure to hit the Done button at the bottom of the menu to confirm the action, and that's about it. It's worth pointing out that if you want to go back to the classic Siri, simply choose Siri Classic in the menu, and there you have it. Enabling or disabling Siri AI in macOS 27 Golden Gate is a simple way to customize how Siri works on your Mac. If you enjoy intelligent suggestions, enhanced assistance, and AI-powered features, keeping Siri AI enabled can help you get more done. On the other hand, disabling it lets you stick with a more traditional Siri experience. Since the setting can be changed at any time, feel free to experiment and choose the option that best matches your preferences. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.